Hello friends, this is a tale of two birds, Frisky and Dally. Frisky and Dally were neighbors living on adjacent trees in the forest. Both of them were very happy as they laid their eggs and were eagerly waiting for their young ones to come out. And the beautiful day came when their babies came out of the eggs. Frisky named her baby Bubbly, and Dally named her baby as Snoozy. Bubbly and Snoozy became good friends. They had started to grow up into beautiful birds. Look how beautiful they look. These mothers were very proud of them. Bubbly's mom started giving her flying lessons, while Snoozy's mom just wanted to pamper her child. She would feed her in the nest only and did not teach her to fly. Snoozy loved it in her cozy nest and boasted to Bubbly about the kind of treatment that she gets all the time, whereas Bubbly's mother made her fetch food and practice flying every day. One day, a terrible storm came. All the birds started flying away, trying to find a safe abode. Susie was scared, but her mother helped her escape. Susie sat on her mother's back and escaped the storm. After the storm settled, the birds came back to their trees only to find that their nests were completely destroyed. Frisky got busy building her nest again, and Bubbly helped her. Daly started building her nest too, but she was very tired carrying Snoozy on her back, so she asked Snoozy to help her. But Snoozy had become very lazy by now, and she refused to help her mother. So Frisky and Bubbly helped Dally build her nest again. In her heart, Dally was now afraid. She was not proud of herself for the way she raised Snoozy. Days passed. Dally asked Snoozy to take some flying lessons, but she was now confident that no matter what, her mother would always come to her rescue. Frisky and Dally were now getting old. They spent most of their day on the branches only. One day, a hunter came to the forest. He would catch birds and put them in a cage and sell them off. The birds started flying to evade the hunter. Frisky told Bubbly to fly off as she was not swift enough to escape. However, Bubbly told her mother to sit on her back and they both flew safely. However, Dally and Snoozy uh, could not escape and were caught by the hunters. The hunter let Dally go because she was old and would not fetch a good price. However, Snoozy was put in a cage and taken away. Both Dally and Snoozy cried and regretted, but it was too late. They both wished they could go back in time and change things.
So, kiddos, what did you learn from the story? It is your time to work hard, to build your skills, to study well, because these are the things that would help you, my little birdies, to soar high and fulfill all your dreams. The earlier you start, the better. So, when your parents or teachers tell you to study hard, they want you to develop your mental skills. And when they tell you to exercise, they want to develop your physical skills. A person who is mentally and physically strong can overcome any storm of life. Remember, if you never try, you'll never know. Don't forget to watch these videos too.